This is Ganta Ramesh, the convener of the DISA MCS 2025. MCS means Management, Commerce and Science. And as far as the participants are concerned, near about 75 colleges have participated in our program. And even the students are participated from Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram and Srikakulam also. So I thank each and every participant for participating in our meet and making this a grand success. Thank you.
So where do I start? Annual day is the most awaited day for each and every student. And this is the day of celebration for every student in terms of academics, achievements in various activities and in sports and extracurricular activities. On a day like this, we are here to encourage and recognize the potential of each and every student who have excelled in academics, who have excelled in sports, who have excelled in other curricular activities. And Samatha College was started way back in 1991, and this is the 34th year. We are very strong and going very strong with lot of facilities in the campus and lot more to offer to the students at all times. My dear students and parents, Samatha College has seen lot of activities in this academic year. We have made lot of improvements in the infrastructure, given a facelift to the college and to the laboratories and other facilities in the campus. And we have also completed the process of NAC accreditation, and we are waiting for the result. And I thank all the faculty members, the students and the parents for their wonderful support at all times. And my dear students, Samatha College, normally what you look for is a placement, isn't it? You want every student to be ready for the industry for a placement. But here in Samatha College, we are here to nurture each and every student, seeing the potential and the caliber of the student. Because every student cannot be put in the grade category A. We have students who are average, who are below average, and who are above average or extremely smart. But we here in the college, we cater to every segment, and thanks to all the committed faculty members who are here to develop each and every student, give them an opportunity. And now the annual day and the management and commerce and science meet is completely organized by the students. And I really congratulate all the students, and big round of applause to all the students. You have done a wonderful job in organizing DISA MCS Meet 2025. And today we have seen the result, and we will give out the prizes for all the achievers who have won the prizes in the DISA Meet, and also the academics wherein we have given the proficiency prizes for all the departments of Samatha College. See, one more important feature of Samatha is we have wonderful subjects which are being offered in the college. That is MBA, that is management course, MSc Computer Science, and a lot of UG programs, the honor programs in the subject of food science and technology, and botany, chemistry, computer science, physics, and etc. So these are all the upcoming subjects, very important subjects wherein you can grow further to do the higher education in these fields, so that you can come up in life in all these fields in a wonderful manner. And for all the achievements to be enjoyed by the students and the parents, we would always love to have the parents in the campus, and I request on this platform all the parents to take out some time to visit the college campus, because your presence in the college campus is very, very important because collectively we have to develop the student, nurture the student, and ultimately see that he is wonderfully placed and goes out of the college in flying colors. And I take this opportunity to congratulate my entire team of staff, the principal Srinivas, and all the learned faculty members for their wonderful commitment. And they are here with you at all times. So please reap the benefits of the college and be regular to the college to enjoy the benefits. Thank you so much. There are a lot of programs lined up for you.
Colleges, say hello to each other. If you feel shy to say hello, how can you grow up in the corporate world? You know, the best part of Alvada's group and Reed group, every institution, Samata has got Diksha, IM has got Pinnacle, Sindh and CMT has got Virat. We don't, compete with each other. We complement each other. We always wanted to grow together. We always wanted to be a positive part of the world. The positive part is always appreciating, complimenting, encouraging one another. Since you guys are here in the lovely campus, you know, Samata is named by a founder, late Shia Salvatas, on his mother's name. On his mother's name, the love what a founder, late Shia Salvatas, has towards Samata is unmeasurable. So we cannot ever compromise on the quality of education what we offer in Samata College, especially because this is the love of a chairman towards his mother expressing to the world in the form of Samata College. Isn't it? So very good hand, a big hand for every one of y'all. I really congratulate all the organizers who could make this event so beautiful, so lovely, so bright, and may you guys have a wonderful future, and it's a world of opportunities. Gone were the days whether you're born with a diamond spoon or a golden spoon. Those spoons are gone. The spoons are taken away. It is you yourself is an asset for the country. And it looks like one of the best evenings of this lovely winters what Vizag has really been enjoying. I really congratulate every student of Samata College, faculty and the teaching and non-teaching staff for organizing so many events in order to shape up every student.
Samata College has grown over the last so many decades, more than 3 decades, by leaps and bounds, under the stewardship, rather leadership of Dr. Vijaya Ravindra and Alvarda's group of institutions. They are known for uncompromising quality. Whoever is studying in these group of institutions, they are all considered to be extended family.
good evening to all of you. I am Professor G. Srinivasarao, Principal and Director of Samatha College, and I am happy to inform you that Samatha College has a long culture and history of organizing a Disha management meet for the last 20 plus years. And this year 2025 we have been organizing Disha MCS, that is Management Commerce and Science meet on 28th and 29th of March, and today at our Alvardas grounds we have been organizing the annual day, and we have conducted a lot of activities where we have a huge number of colleges who have been attending. And on this occasion I would like to thank all the managements of all the colleges for showing their valuable support for us and asking their and allowing their students to come and participate in the event and making this a grand success. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.
Hello everyone, I am Sarika from BBA department studying in Samatha Degree College. I am happy to be part of the Samatha Degree College where our teachers are the best lecturers who make us very great in every activity and teach us everything to do the activities. And my favorite teachers are everyone because our lecturers are very friendly with us and they help us with everything. So every lecturer is my favorite, and we have all the activities, events happens every month, and we will be the part in every event.
Good evening to everyone. I am Maitreyi from Samatha Degree College. I am here with I am studying food science and technology here, and I am from Srikakulam, my native place, and from there to here I came to study here with I inquired about this college, Samatha Degree College, and it is one of the best college in the Vizag. And the course which I opted here, course which I opted for food science and technology. So this course is available in Samatha Degree College, and here faculty is very friendly, and everyone acknowledges, though they are professionals, they acknowledge us with lots of knowledge, and also with they also make us to make the environment feel happy and joyful, and I am happy to be a part of this college. And my experience in this college as a first year student is very much happy, and thank you for giving this opportunity.
My name is Nandini. I am studying MBA second year in Samatha Degree College. It's a very immense pleasure to join in this college, and we have explored a lot of talent, skills from this college. It's an honor to study in this college. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sayyid, and I am from BBA second year in Samatha Degree College. My best moment in this college is when I had the opportunity to lead the anchoring in the Disha annual meet 2025 with my co-anchor Nandini. She was very supportive and very humble, so that we could make the rapport and we could have a great night tonight.